In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change organizer in Google Meet. If you're handing a meeting off to a teammate or leaving a project, transferring ownership ensures the right person controls invites, edits, and host settings. This change actually happens in Google Calendar because every Meet link is tied to a calendar event. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, share what to expect after the transfer, and point out a few common gotchas so your meeting keeps running smoothly. First, sign into your Google account and open Google Calendar where the event is scheduled. You need to be the current organizer of that event to transfer ownership. People with just edit access won't see the option. Find the event on your calendar. Open the event by double-clicking it to view full details. If it's part of a repeating series and you intend to hand over the entire series, make sure you're viewing the series, not just a single occurrence, before you proceed. In the event details, look toward the top for the More Actions menu. Depending on your layout, it may appear as text or 3 dots. Click it to open additional options. Choose Change Owner from the list. A dialog will pop up explaining that you're transferring ownership of the event. This is the control that moves organizer status and the associated Google Meet host privileges to someone else. Enter the email address of the person you want to take over. Double-check spelling and domain to avoid sending the request to the wrong contact. The recipient should have a Google account, and in some organizations, administrators may restrict transfers outside the company. Finalize by selecting Change Owner in the dialog. This sends a transfer request by email. Until the recipient accepts, you remain the organizer. Once they accept, they become the event owner, they control future edits and cancellations, and they'll be the primary Meet host for that event. Your role changes to a regular guest unless they grant you co-host access inside the meeting. A few tips to wrap up. The Meet link tied to the event stays the same, so guests don't need a new URL. If you don't see the Change Owner option, you're likely not the current organizer or your admin has disabled it. For critical meetings happening soon, consider making the new person a co-host in the meeting as a backup until the transfer is accepted, and always let attendees know who will be running the session.